good, nakakasunod. Okay, ang ating second step kids ay ipipinch niyo po. Magtitira po kayo ng at least 2 inches mula po doon sa kabilang dulo, doon sa maikling part. Okay, pinch niyo lang kids. So, hindi po kayong matakot, hindi po yan puputok. I-pinch niyo po na maliin. So, ayan, very good. So, pag nakita kayo kids, o tingin po kay Ate Bea at Ate Lek, kailangan may matitira pong mainit dito. Okay po?
Uy!
Ayan. So, ang next step natin, kids, syempre naka-hold na po siya, di ba? Twist niyo po at least 3. Okay? Ayan. Twist niyo, kids. Sway. Sway. And then shake lang po. Shake. Shake. And sway again. Sway. Sway, again, shake, and shake, and turn around, kids. O, syempre magpapakit tayo, oh. Cutie. Ayan. And then wiggle, kids. Wiggle. Okay, one more time, cutie. Ayan. And then wiggle ulit. So, after the wiggle, ay strong. And shake. Again, strong. And shake. And then roll. Roll. And roll. Okay, again, swing. Wait, muna kids, and then swing. Okay, nag-gets na po ba kids kung paano? Ayan, very good. So, game na tayo kids sa ating warm-up ha.